Srangsalo Kaisa Panda ni Bisingtwi TTAADC Haphang ni Chubachu bai Atharabhola ni Makhukchara kamio Kwtal Community Hall ni Foundation Ustun Kaijakha Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma ni Yakromwi Manjakha TTADC ni CEO Purna Chandra Jamatia ADC ni former CEO Jamatia no Khobwi Kubun Adongrok
Nini wan song mung no chung Kubun khulai na
Nini na har mung go chung salsa sobing Nini shumai
Ashlo Puilano Chatika Thermosangai Panda Chingshowe Zakha, Abni Yaglo Mansum community ni Samung Baike, Panda Mansan in Arway of Nolamso Showing Harzaka. Abandani Bisingtwi no TTAADC Haphang ni Chubachu bai Atharabhola ni Makhukchara Amchaio 500 Asukthai na Ti Kwtal Namjak Dongmani Community Hall ni Foundation Stone Line Kaijakha Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma de TTAADC ni CEO Purna Chandra Jamatia ni Yakromwi
Lamsoko nai tongnai jotto khapang daukte boksang anok ni logi Nelson Debbarma nok jotto na khawai khoi lamsoko Chini Khorang ni mangpliwo chung tau phaisok paijak Atharabhola ni Makhukchara kamiwo tamningke oro tini TTAADC Haphang bai Kwtal khlai community hall oro Kwtal snamjak mani no toino tini Chini Khachuksa Maharaja Pradyot Kishore manikia Debbarma bo sak bai thang phai oro foundation stone oro lek laikya Bini logio hanyo bini presence tongo TTAADC CEO Purna Chandra Jamatia bin logio tongo Chini TTAADC former CEO Jamatia apni logi executive minister borok tongo Chini sir Kamal Kaloisong abakino chungoro taw nugui mano Chini background no Khorang khanai tongo borok mall somne Kaisa community song bai ke lam songmani rachamung bai Panda chengjai tongo sung nugui man kharo tabuk phaina Borok foundation stone kolukmani yaklo anvil khaimani yaklo tabuk Bubagra song tabuk dangso asuk lajak borok ta Panda bahai sing no khungna baga thangai tong ambagi no sayo nai tong Chini Khorang
Abahikino Panda kok sanani thange Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma Shaka TTAADC Amchaio tongnai lukorok ni kokna wansugi ni Kwtal community hall ni foundation stone line Kaijakha hunai Abahikino ashlo te badal issue no te kokna thongai ni shomong ni firok borokha Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma
See, I think that if you want to preserve a community, then it is very important to lay foundation on our culture, on different aspects of our culture, whether it is cuisine, whether it is our dress, whether it is our language, whether it is the traditional things that we have practiced, even could be traditional sports, some music. So the best way of doing so is with the community coming together. And we from the TTAADC have believed that we have never, the previous governments have never paid attention in building community halls and places where smaller communities also need to get together for their festivals, for their, it could be a cultural festival, it could be a youth meet, it could be a religious meet. So we have decided that here we will construct a 500 seated community hall, cultural hall, so that the people from the Malsom community can get together during their good times, during their programs, cultural events, religious events, and thrive as a community. So we have done that, and today was the foundation stone of this.
So language is a very crucial thing, and the fight for language is going on, especially Khobwi. When the government is saying they are suggesting for a new script for creating a new script, what is your reaction on that?
What script would that be?
They say a new script.
But they should specify, na, what script?
They have not specified.
So let them specify.
Like Chakma, they are coming with a new script for Khobwi. They have suggested for the intellectuals to come to.
So who are these intellectuals who are going to suggest? Tell them to give. See, intellectuals cannot be those who only agree with you. Intellectuals have to be also accepted by society. And if those intellectuals are there, let them please come and tell them that which intellectuals are going to develop the script for Khobwi. Then we will decide whether we agree with these intellectuals. But from whatever I know, most of these people have agreed, most of our students have agreed that we would prefer a certain script. And let them appear for exams in that. And if you want to develop an indigenous script, let them do that. But till the time the script does not happen, let at least our boys and girls write in a script that they want to, which is a Roman script. And I want to know who are these so-called intellectuals. I mean, by giving people awards does not make them intellectuals. Every year an award is given. Awards were also given by the British to those Indians who opposed the rights of Indians. But eventually nobody remembers those people. They remember those who stood by what was right for the future of our next generation. And finally I want to say something through all of you all, that I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, and I know that they have a soft corner for the indigenous people. And I do believe that if they are given the right information about what is happening in Tripura, they will understand the sentiments of our indigenous people. But there are some people who are giving a wrong picture to them, and I hope that they will interact with all of us and understand that our issue is not with individuals or parties, it's with certain groups of people which want to keep the indigenous tribes of Northeast and especially in Tripura deprived and keep us down, make sure that our children don't have a better future so that they can rule over us.
Bubagra, is there any report as of yet about a member of delegation, 7 members who went for Delhi?
They've reached, yeah, they've got.
So is there any updates regarding the...
So once they meet the authorities and the institutions, they will obviously come back and have a press conference. I'm aware that they've gone to Delhi, and I hope that they impress upon the fact that our students should not suffer. If the students are already writing their answers in Roman script, what is the harm if there is an option of English question paper along? I'm not saying remove Bangla, I'm saying keep Bangla, but give an option for Roman script also, so that the students who are giving in their answers in English can at least read the questions in English. Otherwise they will struggle and they will not do well in the exams. This cannot be about politics. This has to be about solutions.
Bubagra, since the board and secondary examination is going to be on March, so is there any possibility for the adoption of the Roman script officially?
I'm Pradyot Manikya. I'm not the Chief Minister of Tripura. This question should be asked to the Chief Minister of Tripura, because they make the decision. What I can do is speak on behalf of you, on behalf of our students. And if they don't do it, then it is a very sad day that because of some people's stubbornness, you are spoiling children's future. And that is something which I will find it very difficult to accept.
Sir, yesterday the Chief Minister had categorically said that money is being given more than what TTADC deserve, but development is not taking place to that ratio.
Acha? Let him say it. How much money did he say this time?
He did not mention the money.
Because he's been saying different figures every time. So money has been given to TTADC, but the work is not happening. What work is not happening? If the work is happening, it has only happened in the last 5 years that you're seeing TTADC as most visible. Before that, what was happening? In the name of TTADC, state government used to take money. Today, we have done a lot of work for our people. Today, why does the BJP want to fight for TTADC? Because they see that there is potential and opportunities here. But the fact is that if the Chief Minister wants to only take us on politically and not from the development of the entire state, then that is very sad. Because I would think that as a Chief Minister, he would like to talk to his alliance partners respectfully and work towards a model of development for the indigenous people. But if he is going to only speak out against us and speak out to score political points, then I think it is very unfortunate, and I don't think that sort of political culture we should impress upon. I'm still appealing to the respected Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura. Come and sit and talk to me, and we will work out a better model for development. But you cannot bully us or arm twist us into doing something which will deny our people. We are not here to be intimidated. We would definitely like to have a conversation, but the conversation should be on the rights of the people and not on what he thinks is right and what he thinks is right for us. Because frankly, I think we know what is right for us and we do not want to be lessened by anyone in our state.
But on the contrary, he said the partners should be like partners and not richer. And you have expressed of some health issue of someone.
I have not said about anybody's health issue.
No, someone age you have.
Age is of course a factor. India is a young nation and we need young leaders who understand. See, today AI has come in. Today drone technology has come in. Today India is becoming a younger country, and you know who understands this the most? Our Honorable Prime Minister, who is actually looking at a new India coming up. That's why he says 2047. So those people who are in power today, who will not be around in 2047, should not be deciding for the youngsters today. And what was your other question? क्या बोला था आपका दूसरा क्या?
Preacher. The partners should be like partners, not preachers.
So first I thought we were brothers, now we are preachers. Mind makeup कर ले. हम प्रीच कहाँ कर रहे हैं? अगर हम सच बात बोल रहे हैं, हमको लगता है कि हम अपना बात बोल रहे हैं, तो पार्टनर्स क्या? पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम या पार्टनर्स इन डेवलपमेंट? वी वांट टू डेवलप द TTADC एरिया एंड यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स. आई एम अगेन सेइंग, आइए बात कीजिए, बच्चे का भविष्य के बारे बात है. जो बच्चे पहले से अपना परीक्षा रोमन स्क्रिप्ट में दे रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑप्शन रखिए ना. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बंगाली को हटाइए, आप रोमन स्क्रिप्ट का ऑप्शन दीजिए क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में, तो बच्चे के लिए अच्छा होगा. ये प्रीचिंग कहाँ हुआ? ये तो सोल्यूशन का बात मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
अब आइकन आर्शनी पांडव TTAADC नि फाउंडिंग नि सुनती पोशाका ADC नि CEM पुर्ना चंद्र जमातिया दे फॉर्मर CEO CK जमातिया.
Sar hesek sal sakang no haino ADC ni chongmori bu gana uitong abon sakang motha tai BJP ni alliance partner bisungo na kese keren koksil sal mu uitong oba hakeno funding no tui chung chief minister personally bo tai GS bipin der mu bahaino borok ADC no allegation do ne borok funding asur rohaman asuk hundreds of crore borok rohakani samun abrong tam tapun controversy choli tong
beleke hambai je TTADC no fund rohamani to document tongo, evidence tongo, sanction memo tongo, memo order tongo. Je proper no site tongo, je borok rang rohmani jodi 6,000 crore, 6,600 crore jodi rohi tong khang ke memo order phunuk phaidi. Jene bank account tongo TTADC CEO TTADC ni account tongo. Aro jaga se khaimena, bus credit ing phaika abo saimana. Bokhok bai je site tongo paharo phaiyo, chung to खोनाव बर' वाइसो चुंगे ऑडिट खाइजे नैने तामस नै रां आसर हमानि छामं खाइजे ऑडिट खाइजे बो तो ऑडिटर जनरल सि साइमन सेंट्रल ऑडिटर जनरल बो तंग स्टेट बो तंग बर' शेड्यूल खाइवे न तामस नै राम डोनली ऑडिट खाइतों ऑडिट नि जे बर' ऑफिसर बर' तो बर' न साया तानि के ऑडिट इनखा इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी ऑटोनोमस बॉडी बर' बफ्र खाइने बफ्र खाया बर' नि इच्छा जों मानाबो खाइमे इनभाइट बो खाइमे जों इंटरनेल ऑडिट खाइमनो फैयाबा बर' न जों इनभाइट बो खाइमे मानाबो खाइमे जे बर' ग्राउंड साइटों रां रहजाक सामु खाइमे अमतो जों नवैनो दङ पब्लिक रो नवैनो दङ सिने अकाउंट नाय फेरि एडिशन अकाउंट आरो स्राय क्लियर रंपाइने जे अमता कम्युनिटी हॉल खाइमेनि दिनि और जागा हंके तो 4 करोड़ कलायो जो तो कम्युनिटी नि न जों ता कम्युनिटी हॉल खाइने बागै या प्रेसाइ दं जे प्रति प्रासानि डेभलपमेन्ट नि बागै जों सामु खायो आफ्रो हंके बर' एलिगेशन दङ इलेक्शन बसकां कक साफाइने फैयाबा प्रेक्टिकली बर' नवै दङ जे एडिसी बसक सामु खाइ दं
थाने मिया बनोगि मान कानो चीफ मिनिस्टर काइसा बंग बीजेपी नि जॉइनिंग प्रोग्राम बनोगि मान खा काइनि जागाव अमाके एडिशन चंगमरि सकांग ono yang ni support aing thangai dong aing ni support yang phai dong takle bisini edition chongmari bum hai bukak thangai dong
अमतो जतनो साइमानो ति प्रमोथा अगेंस्ट फाइफिनाय दैबो मेजॉरिटी मावैनो फाइनाय कॉन्फिडेंटली कारण चिनि पाहारे जे जागा थां आरो जतनो चिनि बुबाग्रानि लगे तंगनि बागै रेडी खाइजा जों जतनो साइमानो दैबो जों एडिसी काहाम सामु खाइ दंमाय न पब्लिक रो जतनो दं ति प्रासार रो जत सि दं जों दैबो सिट गोबां मावै कप्लायने
sir paithego okong kok sung klayo tajing ni je funding ni addition ni je bor allegation de mani abno tei lukurok no bor misguide khayo hunai allegation bor ruin tung amon tei chief minister bahai ke ba bijbin jes no bum ki firong ro
na sung to chief minister no personally ang invite khaijak je addition 5 review meeting khai phedi 2 times letter rokha barbeli 3 times ang kok saka je review meeting khai phedi borok tak pajonto review khai phia kintu tabo election ni beskang wangke sai tong je addition je rang ro hojak mani samang khai jai bo to public no gomrak khaini bangoi ang personally letter romani bu jodi document nai nai ke phunu roma borono je review meeting khai phedi chief minister no samani
sir addition chong mari to tai tal sa tani pore nang na thangai tung oba hakino bjp ni bukhangte bani kat kabuma bottle slaibung panda mothani yangte kabuma bottle slaibung panda obno recently miawo chief minister kaisa bong joining program mo kaise ti promote hone allegation romani tongo je funding no to addition funding no to obno tui taw phone kaise ke reng laiman paile obno bhage फिर
सीके बाबू बताइए कितना फंडिंग होता था क्योंकि एवरी डे आई एम हियरिंग न्यू फंडिंग्स
यस महाराज ना जेटा बजेट संग्रह हमने जेटा संग मान थाई तंग मनी तब से त्रिपुरा राज्य ने बजेट हंका 32,000 crores हंका ADC area हंका it comprises 70% of the total geographical area हंका population wise 35% of the total population live in ADC areas. So if we go by the ratio, population ratio or geographical area, we should at least get 30-35% of the total budget provision of the state. Then it comes around 15,000-16,000 crores. Okay, but when we submit the budget to the state government, they consider only 2.5% of the total requirement. Even the approved 2.5% budget is also not placed in time. Like for this financial year also 2025-26 total approved budget is around 600 crores. Out of that they have placed only 600 crores,
which is very less,
and which is very meager, very insufficient for making any kind of developments. But the state government is claiming that they have placed already 6,500 crores. It is totally false. So there is no proof that they have placed 6,500 crores. That is the issue.
Sir, in the end, would you like to send any message regarding the upcoming elections, and what are your strategies for the upcoming campaigns and all?
No, my message is we the Tripuras should be united. We should stand for the rights, for our cultural rights, political rights, economic rights, land rights, and as long as we do not get our political rights, land rights, cultural rights, we should fight together. Let us stand together. Let us fight for our next generation. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ashwini Panda Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma Kari Manjakha TTAADC ni CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia former CEO Sike Jamatia EM Kumul Kolino Khobwi Kubun Adongrok.
Again, we man kana jotona Haphang tak de book sung oro Makhukchara Atharabhola ni Makhukchara thayo je TTAADC bai Haphang bai o taklai bisini oro Kwtal community hall samjang mon toini sung oro Panda nogi man ka sung oba keno Bubagra tayo ma ke Sike Chini CEO former CEO hai kubab CM Purna Chandra Jamatia sarbai kok salakya am bagai nong no sungte ba updates nan bagai chaje wi tongon nai tongne choi wi Chini Khorang
Kilani Shimi Probini Lagyo Nelson Chini Khorang